Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make a self-writing text, as you can see in this example. I'll try to keep the video short, so let's begin. First of all, let's create a new user interface widget blueprint. Call it text Y. Open it up. We will need a text block. You can set position and size whatever you want. For the sake of the tutorial, just keep it simple. Okay, next thing, make sure that this text block is a variable. I'll call it text page. And use the wrapping tool so it auto wraps your text. Okay, let's jump to the event graph. Okay, let's start by making a couple of variables. Let's start with an integer. Call it a letter count. Make another variable, this time type of string. Call it a text. And another one, current text. And the last one, next letter. Compile and save. Let's make a new custom event. Call it a print text. What we need to do now is take a text variable, search for get character array from string. Let's get its length. So this way we know how many characters this text has. Let's take our letter count and let's see if it's less than this number. Make a branch, and if it is, let's get the letter at this index. And what we need to do now is to set the next letter. So the next thing what we have to do is to take current text and search for append. And what we're gonna do is take the next letter and add it to the current text and set a new current text which will be printed on the screen. Next we have to increment our letter count, and we need to add a delay, whatever we want. I guess it should be something like this, and call the same event print text again. Don't forget to call the event on the event construct. So okay, you can actually try to test this out right now. You can make a random text and yeah, just delete the current one. Go to a preview pawn, have to call the right Y that we just made. So yeah, it's this one. So let's see. And it doesn't work because I obviously forgot to set the text block itself So yeah, sorry for that, guys. So let's do that. Take our text block variable and set text. So yeah, this should work right now. Let's try it out. Yeah, it works. Cool. So now I will show you how to print things nicer, because obviously if there's a space or a dot, you want a longer delay. So what we can do is promote this to a variable. Just call it delay, and you need a branch here. For example, if this letter is equal to a space, if it's true, we would set a bigger delay. Let's say 1 second, or okay, that's too much. Let's say 0.2 seconds, or maybe let's just so you could see. I'll make it a 1 second. So if it's false, we could make another branch and check if this letter is a dot, and take or a boolean, and we can check if it's a dot or this or a question mark, whatever you want. So yeah, plug those in, and we can check that too, and if it's true we can give it even more delay if you want. So yeah, and if it's false, you should keep a delay the default one, so it was like this. Make sure you plug those in. So yeah, we can actually test that out. Let's make a dot here. A dot here. By the way, if you want a line to start, if you want your text to start in a new line, you should press Shift Enter. So yeah, let's add random text, more dots. Okay, let's see how it works right now. So yeah, the delays are working. So you can make it anything you want to fill your needs. And for example, if you want to change a font or anything, font size, you can just do it right here. So yeah, guys, I guess it's time to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you. This was my first tutorial. If you guys liked it, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.